Okay, welcome everyone to the class. My name is Peter. I'm gonna walk you through the second class. The first one, we learned how to create a Scratch account, how to do the Sprite, and many other things. If you miss out, don't worry. Gonna share the screen. I hope you see my Scratch account. Okay. All right. If you have not joined us in lesson 1, you need to create a Scratch account. The Zoom, the link will be, I will put the link in the Zoom chat. Okay. You need to create an account using your email and whatever your password is, so that you can remember how to log on again. The reason we need to create an account is we can save your work. You can save your, you can go to my stuff here. You can see your work. That's a, see, that is the lesson 1. Let's say, I can delete my project, but that's what it means. That's the beauty of this. This is lesson 1, 5 days ago. That's the reason why we need to create a Scratch account. If you haven't, you can watch back in lesson 1, or you can, I give everyone another chance of a few minutes, try to create a Scratch account first. And then we gonna start. I hope this is the last time. Sorry, everyone, I have to interrupt. If you have already got a Scratch account, we just have to wait to everyone to make sure they're on the same page. Once you finish the Scratch account, it should take you only probably a minute or 2. That should be about it. You should come up with this Scratch, and then we create, this is one called lesson 2. Lesson 2. Okay, so this is empty projects. Got nothing in here at the moment. The only thing we have is one sprite, the cat, then nothing else. Empty coding. This part is where you do the coding. Today we learn, anyone, today we touched it last week. We know how to create a sprite. Let's start by create a sprite. Here we can do, today we create a game called Peekaboo. Okay, Peekaboo. Gonna scare the pet, gonna scare the cat. So go Peekaboo. So the first thing is, we already have a cat, we need a bat. So we create a new sprite called a bat. Okay. Now we click on it. You see this, we've got 2 sprites. Each of them you can do the coding action based on what we want. Okay, I make sure everyone's on the same page. Now we click on the cat. We do events. You drag when it's click. And then we do Then we will learn a few things. So look, think. Put a think block in here. Say nice evening. Okay. Look like has everyone got a Scratch account? Thumbs up. I want to see. Make sure you got. Four thumbs up. 5 thumbs down if you don't have a Scratch account. Ryan, I can send you the link. It's a YouTube link. Okay. All right. Look like everyone got Scratch account. That's good. Okay. Let's start this. You just do a grand click. Things not evening. Archer is not a thing sprite. It's a thing in. You click on the look on this side, you will see the thing. You go on the event, you will see the this one. Click, and then you go into the look. You will see a thing block. This is called block, not a sprite. Sprite when this is called a sprite. You can think or you can say. It's up to you. Maybe you can say. And then event. So we create a message called Peekaboo message. Okay. And then we can say into the say. Okay, remember all of this code is on the cat sprite, okay? Not on the bat. The bat got nothing. This is on the cat. And then you go into the motion. Set rotation style. Left. Then you go into a loop. Do it forever. Okay. In here, you do into motion. So what it do is we try to run away. While we try to simulate here, we run away from the bats, right? So we just try to run. Then we do wait. So 3 seconds. Then move instead, do another way. Oops. 3 seconds. All right, so the loop here, this is called forever loop. This is what looping mean is they just keep going into this forever. Okay, and then we do this. If on edge bounce, what does it mean? If we try not to get away from the windows. Okay, that's how we do. And then you click on the cat, you will see on this top left the costume. Okay, costume 2, costume 1, this normal one, costume 2, this. You got two type of costume 1 and costume 2. So we try to simulate the cat running. You can see this. If you switch between this cat and this cat, you can really see it simulate running, right? So you can't just move the cat, but you have to switch between the costume. So how do we do it? We go to the look side. Switch to costume 1. And switch to costume 2. Maybe just white. So the whole idea here is to simulate the cat running. When we see Peekaboo, the cat start running. Now, I try to explain. I think that's a lot of code for you to comprehend in the short moments. I will explain to you one more time, okay? When this one click, which means this flag is clicked. That's what it means. We say hello, nice evening. The cat gonna say hello, nice evening. And then what the code say? When we receive Peekaboo, means somebody say Peekaboo. The cat will say, I'm running away. Set rotation left, right mean they go left and right. Okay? So that's how they run, not up and down. And then we go into this called loop, forever loop. This called loop block. What does loop block do? Say move 10 steps. Wait, switch to costume 1. Move another 10 steps. Wait, switch to costume 2. If on edge bounce. What on edge mean? They go to the end of the window here. You bounce back. That's what the whole code means. It's a lot of code, but it's I have tried to explain that to you. Okay. Now go to the bet. What the bet do? So the bet we say Peekaboo, right? That's how we do. We go into the event. Easy. If you don't have the bet, you go into Sprite. Here. Okay, what Sprite do? I have to say first, okay? That's the beauty of having a scratch account. You go to click, choose a Sprite here. And there, you just go into function, we just search. The bet just here, but you can just search bet. Or you can see the bet is just down here. Okay. Now, this is the bet. What we're going to do. So the bet at the moment disappear. So when the keyboard press you will show up. And then maybe we can say something. Peekaboo. And then what we're gonna do is you need to remember on the diskette will say when we receive a peekaboo message. What does it mean? When they say peekaboo, you need to broadcast peekaboo. Okay, so the cat gonna say when we press space, they're gonna appear and they say peekaboo. And then when this one's click, first thing we need to hide it, right? So we want to make sure nobody see the cat. And then we go to the for loop. Then we go to the next costume. Okay, if you look at the bed, you have costume. You see this? The bed got 4 costumes, 4 type costume. If you go through the sequence, you can see the bed is kind of flying. You understand? It's kind of flying now. So how to simulate flying? We just go through all the costumes. We just iterate through the costume to simulate the flying. Okay. Okay, so how does it go now? Let's say we do click. You don't see the cat, right? You see the cat? The cat just say nice evening. That's what it's meant to do. You don't see the cat, the bat, because we use the hide function. You can see it here, the bat is flying there. How do you scare the cat? You hear the space. You use space bar. You can use something else, but I use space bar. Then now I hit the space bar. Cat say peekaboo. And the cat just say, I'm running out, I'm running for you. Okay, start. How to make it more exciting? You choose a different backdrop. Okay, so at the moment they got 0 backdrop. You choose backdrop is bottom right. You go in here. I don't know which one. We pick something a bit more scary. Dark in jungle, maybe. So probably I pick a jungle. What else do I do? What else? Jungles kind of work. There you go. Okay, I walk you through all the coding again. You create a bat sprite. So you got 2 sprites. In the cat sprite, you got 2 type costumes. Why we need 2? Because we need to simulate running. Okay, you can see that. And then you got a bat sprite. You got 4 costumes. So if we go through them, they will simulate flying. And then we click on the bat. Let's say start with the bat. What the code say? When the space, you press show the bat. Say peekaboo and broadcast peekaboo message. When we start the program, which means when we click this green flag, disappear, hide it. And go here. Just iterate to costume so that we can simulate flying. Now go to the sprite. for the cat. The cat will say when it's clicked, say hello. I probably wait maybe 2 seconds here. Hello, nice evening. And then when the cats receive peekaboo, which means when the bat say peekaboo, we're gonna run in the loop, just forever run. We iterate to the costume 1 and costume 2 to simulate running. That is what you learned today. How to create a sprite, how to set a backdrop. Easy. You don't need to copy exactly. You just need to learn the concept. Important concept here is the forever loop here, and how to broadcast a message, which is this. To broadcast a message, what it means is communicating between the bat and the cat. So that's 2 things I want to teach you today. Actually 3 things. One is how to simulate running or flying, because when you do a sprite, you will see different types. So the way that we, like even in a game or animation, how it's running, it's just iterating between images to give you the impression, to give your eyes the impression that we're running or flying. It's the same here. So that's an important concept. Forever loop is important concept. You need to learn how to use the loop. And how the bat's gonna talk to the cat based on the message. So that's a important thing that you need to learn today. You can't make the cat walk. Okay, then if you can't, you see this loop. This forever loop is the loop that make the cat walk, because they switch between costume 1 and costume 2. Okay, how we run the code? Click on this, say hello, nice evening. Nothing happened until I click on the space bar. Suddenly the cat, the bat appears, say peekaboo, and the cat just running. You see that? The bat actually flying. You see how the bat flying? It's purely based on go through the costume. Same thing with the cat. Just 2 costumes running, switching between them. Does it make sense, Jaden? Can't see the bat. Like this. Anna, is that okay? Okay, that's good. You can see the bat is flying and the cat's running. Make it like all right, I give everyone 5 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna go back to this so that you can see my code. I hope you can see the code better? Does it look bigger for you? Everyone can see? Probably like this. All right, everyone got 5 minutes? If you're done, thumbs up. If you want to do some variation, you know how to share the screen, welcome. I will stop sharing and for you to demo. Everyone finished? Anyone want to demo? Anyone want to raise your hand, want to demo your work? Okay, anyone want to demo your work? I want to see what you've done. Use raise hand function in Zoom. Anat, okay. Anat, you have question or you want a demo? Can you unmute Anat? Rayan?
Speaker.
Why are we doing the demo? Why are we doing the demo?
I just want to see if you understand things. Are you willing to do the demo or
Okay.
Yes, I can.
Okay, that's good. I'm stop sharing. I will allow you to share. Hang on. Okay. Only Rayan can share, please. To show everyone that you can do. Okay, you can share. Good. Thank you. Let me see. All right, can you click on the stop button, the red button there, and click on the green. That. All right, and then make the cat appear. I mean, oh, that's very good. You got a backdrop. Yep, great job. Yep, you've done it. Good job. Sean, if you background, you can go here, but choose a backdrop, which is the bottom right. There we choose it. And here you click on that, you can pick any background you want. Backdrop you want. I pick jungle. Or maybe you can do like the wood. Looks okay. Like this. Also look as scary. Is that okay, Sean? Good. I hope I answered your question. All right, now I give you the basic thing. How I give you a challenge though. I give you a challenge. Okay. Now we create the games that can anyone do another bet for me? Not just one, I want 2 bets. That's a challenge. And then if possible, you can make the bet chasing the cat. That even scarier. That is a big a hard challenge. But if you can make 2 bets for me, I'm happy with that. If you can do more, try to make the bet actually chase the cat. That is a challenge. Okay, do you everyone understand my challenge? The challenge that I gave? Okay, that's good. The challenge is instead of 1 bet, I want 2 bets. At the moment, the program only have 1 bet. Okay, I want 2 bets, and then if you successfully make 2 bets, I want you to make the bet actually chasing the cat. At the moment, the bet is just sitting there, right? Yes, it's gonna be fun. Yeah, let's try to do it. At the moment, the bat just appear and say peekaboo, but now you make the bat actually chasing the cat. they can't run away. That even more fun. So that is a challenge. I give everyone maybe five minutes. Easy, great job. You accept the challenge. Great job. Let's do it. I give everyone 5 minutes and you can demo. It's going to be fun. All right, all the block is here. You can go through the blocks like me. Try to use the right block. Anna, you can. Yes, no problem. Just let all the students doing all of this challenge first, and then we're gonna go through, and you can demo your work. Anyone in the class can do it. All right, the challenge start now, everyone. It's 6:56. So I see you back around 7. See how you go. Thank you. I'll see you back shortly. Hello, everyone. I think time is up. You need more time? Let me know. Do you need more time or you be good? Eric, you have question or?
Just joined and I don't know what we're doing.
You don't know what you're doing? Have you done this game? Like the one that I showed?
Yeah, I've done it, but I just joined, so I don't know what we're doing.
Or the challenge I gave is you create a second bet. And after the second bet, you try to make the bet chasing the cat. That is your challenge. So you're saying that you don't know how to do it? Is that what?
I do know how to do it, but I just didn't know what we're doing before.
Okay, you still have some time, that's okay. Let's do it. Kinder, I need a bit more time, that's okay. Rayan, done, well done, just wait. And then we're gonna go through, I think Rayan done first, so we're gonna go through Rayan and then type in the chat. We're done, and then we're gonna go through a demo of the people who've done it. If you've done, type in the chat box so that I can see. It's okay, it's a challenge, so it's not easy, so easy, great job. If you can create a second bet, it's good by yourself, that's good. We try to follow the cats, maybe it's yeah, it's a bit hard, but let's try it. Okay. Let's do Rayan first. I think we need to do it because we run out of time. I'm stop sharing. Rayan, do you know how to share the screen? Okay, Rayan. I'm stop sharing now. Hang on, I want to make sure you unmute it first. I will allow you to share the screen shortly. Okay, now you can share screen.
I first added a bat, then I got a up arrow in when,
Mhm.
and I said haha.
So you press up arrow and then they appear and say haha. Okay. That's good. Think of that coming. Okay, that's great.
Thank
You
you.
haven't done the part that following the cat, but that's understandable. That's not easy. That's good. Anyone else? Easy. Okay. Easy. Can you share?
Sorry, it's not actually that bad, but it is kind of sad. I'm always going to miss out on growth group every week because Excel's.
Sorry, I have to mute them. Move to the next one. Jaden cannot do a demo. Ethan, all right. Ethan is done. Can you share the screen, Ethan? Do you know how to share the screen? Ethan? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna share the screen. Okay. Now quickly do this one. Let's say we can do it together. Just so you want another bet, you just type in here bet. You select another one. With the second bet. So the first thing you do is you need to hide it, right? Otherwise, you hide it first. Then you see what this is doing. You do it for forever loop. And then you do next costume, simulate running, and then you wait for half a second. So it's just the same like the other bet. And then you can look at the other bet. We say, okay, when? Now what you do is you show it, okay? Just show it. Then what is bet two? Just say peekaboo. Okay, now you want to make the bat chasing. Okay, we want to make sure they chase it. We do. This is the hard part. Repeat until touching the. Then we're gonna do onto it. Right. And we're gonna move moving 2 steps. Okay, I will explain what it does. Is okay, we say Peekaboo, and then Kinder, right? I'm gonna show you. You're gonna do demo shortly. We've got 3 minutes. I quickly show you everyone how to do it. So we got a second bat, and then we're gonna hide it. But when does we press the space, it will appear inside Peekaboo. All right. But for this bat gonna chase the cat because they say we got a for loop, a repeat until loop. This is a loop. We're gonna go forever until we touch this sprite. Okay. The sprite is a cat. Okay. So this bat we say, I will move to you. I will move to you 2 steps. And then maybe you should wait for one. Let's see how we go. Let's start. And then I do the space bar. But this cat tried to chase the bat. All right, so stop it. It's a bit slow. So we don't wait. We remove the way. I think we remove the way. Maybe we do a little bit faster. 3 steps. Okay, let's do it. Then space. See the bat chasing the cat? It's already touched then. Oh, actually it's too fast, maybe. Try again one more time. See the bat now chasing? Bang! It hit the cat. Make sense? Actually, do this better. Let's start here. Stop. Play. And the edge. Stop. Sprite. Play. You can see the bat actually chasing now. Try to follow the, and then until it hits. Now it hit the cat, it stop. That's it. I think that's how the second sprite doing. Now it's time for Kinder to demonstrate your work. Yep. Thank you. Ah, Jesse, great job. Good, I can see the bats moving. Great jobs. Well done, Kinder. Great jobs. Yep, anyone else? I hope you have fun. I think we're over time by minutes. Everyone have fun? All right, I think. Sorry, Hannah. Yes. You can demo your work, Hannah. Yeah, I remember now.
Okay.
Yep. You can share the screen.
I'm just trying to.
You just click on share screen.
Yeah.
Where is it?
They can see it this way.
Which one?
Sorry,
Are we just going
Kyra.
to share the screen?
Hang on. Somebody else. Wait. Sorry. Only Kyra, Hannah can share screen, please. Okay. Now you can share. Hannah, please. Everyone, just don't share. Just Hannah can share.
Which one is it in?
That one.
Yes. Good.
This is my one. So
Hang on. It hasn't shown up yet. Just wait a minute. Okay. Yep.
sorry, so
Yep.
sorry. Press there. It's a little bling game.
So you're popping up the balloon thing?
Yeah. It keeps my score.
Oh, yeah. And then every time you hit the balloon, they go up one.
Yeah.
One score.
And I can restart 0.
Great job. And you change the color as well.
Yeah.
Oh, you change the color of the balloon as well. Can you go back? I want to see how many costumes we had in the Sprite.
Sorry.
No, great jobs. Great job. Okay, you click on balloon and you click on costume on the top left.
Where?
The costume on the top left.
Oh,
Costumes. How many balloons they have? Oh, 3. Okay. Yep. Okay. Great jobs. Thank you. Thank you so much. I think that's it, everyone. It's time to say goodbye to everyone. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
thank you.
Goodbye. Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye 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 bye.
Is it okay if I don't get it sometimes?